It was an ordinary day in court when a man named Germaine Petty stood before the judge. His case began simply enough, a school zone violation. Just 1 mile over the speed limit. The judge barely hesitated, dismissed. After all, he routinely tossed out such small infractions. But then, the real discussion began. Germaine had another charge. A red light violation. Almost 2 years old, so long ago that he couldn't even remember the details. The judge asked if he had turned right on red without stopping. Germaine shrugged, he wasn't sure. Curious, the judge asked him what he did for a living. That's when Germaine explained something fascinating. He was a mobile drug and alcohol collector. His job? Driving to different locations to test employees, bus drivers, police officers, firefighters, even federal and state workers. People who hold lives in their hands every single day. Germaine described how he showed up unannounced. And you could imagine it. The nervous glances, the shaky hands, the soft voices. Sometimes, just the sight of him walking in the door made people panic. Oh no, why is he here? The judge chuckled at the image, picturing someone fainting at the sight of Germaine's towering frame. But for Germaine, this wasn't just a job. It was a responsibility. He explained that alcohol results were instant, you knew right away. But drug tests, they went through a process. Sometimes people tried to cheat. Others broke down in tears before the test even began. Please, they would beg him. I just got this job. I have a family. Don't do this to me. And Germaine admitted those moments were hard. Part of him wanted to help. But another part reminded him of his duty. Like a police officer, he couldn't ignore the rules, no matter how much sympathy he felt. The judge pressed further. So, have you ever felt bad? Wished you could let someone go? Germaine's voice softened. Yes, many times. Sometimes, it nearly brought him to tears. But he always carried out his responsibility, because protecting the public mattered more. By the end of the hearing, the judge looked at Germaine with respect. It was clear this man carried a heavy burden, yet he did it with professionalism and integrity. Out of 4 charges, the judge dismissed 3. A small gesture of understanding for someone who spent his days holding others accountable. As Germaine left the courtroom, you couldn't help but feel the weight of his story. Not just another traffic case, but a glimpse into the difficult, often unseen responsibilities of those who guard public safety in ways most of us never think about.